Hello friends, we are showing you the Inde Enterprises digital high power soldering station. It's a 120 watt soldering station. Now we will show you how to switch on and operate this unit. Now it's simple, switch button is there, you can just switch it on. Now the display is showing two values, one is set temperature, other one is actual temperature. You will see the actual temperature is approaching the set temperature now. See, now set and actual temperature are almost same. We will show you how to increase or decrease the temperature. There are two triangular buttons on the right side of this unit. The upper one is for increasing the temperature and the lower one is for reducing the temperature. Apart from this, this unit has two favorite temperature setting. This is indicated as F1 and F2. F1 stands for favorite one temperature. When we will press this F1, the preset temperature it will attain, and when we will press F2, it will attain the second favorite temperature, that is 350 degree. If we want to change the favorite temperature, it's very simple method. First we will press F1. First we will press F1 and we will set the temperature to 325 degree, and just hold this F1 button for 2 or 3 seconds. It will save the favorite temperature which we have now set. Now the favorite temperature has been set to 325 instead of 300 degrees Celsius. Okay. There are wide variety of soldering tips available for this unit. This is different type like chisel type, knife type, slope type, and special tips for SMD components. So the user can select any of these tips suitable for his application. So now we will enter the menu mode. This unit is equipped with different features. We'll show you how to enter the menu mode. Just switch off the unit, press and hold the up and down temperature and switch on the unit back. Now display is showing 3 cursors. We will the default password is 000. We will enter 000 by pressing star. Then again we will enter 0. Then again we will press star. Now we have entered in the menu mode. The display is showing 20 as sleep mode. After 20 minutes of idle soldering iron is placed on the stand, the unit will go to sleep mode. We can change the sleep mode according to our choice. Now we will enter the next parameter. Second one is temperature mode. We can select different temperature modes according to our choice. Now it is showing 400 as the maximum upper limit. This feature is an additional advantage. If we select the 01 mode, then the operator cannot go beyond the 400 degrees Celsius temperature. The maximum temperature the operator can use is up to 400 degrees. So if we press 2, then the maximum temperature will go up to 450. Similarly, the operator cannot go beyond 450 degree. Again we will press 3. Now the maximum upper limit is 500 degrees Celsius. The operator can use any of these this temperature mode. Okay. Now we'll exit this mode. We will go to next mode. Second one, this fourth one is password setting. We will the default password is 000, but we can change the password to according to our choice. Now we'll enter 100 as our default password. 1, then star, then 0, then star again, then 0. Then now we will have to input this twice. Again we will enter 100 as default password. 1 star 0 star 0. Now the password has been changed to 100 instead of 000. Now we will press star to exit the menu mode. Now the temperature is just approaching the set temperature and the unit is ready to use. After changing the password, we need to switch off the unit, then again switch it on to activate the new password. We will see we can't change the temperature now. We will show you how to calibrate this equipment also. We will use external temperature calibrator. Just please wet the soldering tip with a little amount of solder and place it on the thermocouple bridge. It is showing the actual temperature as 360 degree, but on the main control unit the reading is 350 degree. So we need to calibrate this unit, and we have to enter the value which we have observed on the external calibrator, means 360 degree. Now it is showing 350. We will enter 360. Please use star. Again use up button. Again use star. And again star. Now the temperature has been calibrated. We will verify by using the external calibrator once again. Now it's showing almost the same temperature which we are seeing on the display. It means the unit has been calibrated with the help of external calibrator. See, this silicon pad is also part of a supply. It is used for changing the tips in hot condition. We will just pull the soldering tip, and with the help of this silicon pad, and we can replace the other tip just by pushing it inside the soldering iron. It has been done. Now the tip has been changed, and the temperature is gradually rising, and is almost reached the set temperature. Thanks for watching this video. Bye.